Hey, what's up guys? Bad Music Production here from Producer Bus. How's everyone doing? Guys, today I'm going to be showing you here in my little studio, I'm going to be showing you how to create vocals to sound like Tems and Wizkid kind of inspired vocal preset. Now this is really cool. I'm going to come straight in here guys and show you exactly what we've got. If you just started watching, make sure you guys smash the like and subscribe, and let me show you a quick preview.
I have hopes, yeah, dreams and my goals, yeah. I always win, yeah, cause I'm the boss, yeah. Chillin', yeah, smoke up in my lungs, yeah. Bounce and the go pulling up a glass. Everyone dancing, yeah, with the bus down. Dancing like you wanna shut down. The whole crew dancing, yeah, I better slow down. Club fire, showing the love now. I like the way this music thing is showing love. I like the way you're dancing on this dance floor. I like the way music thing is showing love. I like the way you're dancing on this floor. Dance with this, the whole club is bouncing this, eh. Dance to this, the whole club is bouncing this, eh, yeah. Dance to this, the whole club is bouncing this, eh. Dance to this, the whole.
Okay guys, you can get the full FL Studio preset below in my description on these vocals. But before I run you through any presets or anything, just want to show you guys what we've done. Actually, before I go into this, I just want to give a big shout out to everyone that's dropped the comments. Guys, keep dropping your comments and suggestions. I really enjoy, reading your suggestions. The more suggestions we get, the better. Obviously, we are lacking in suggestions, guys. I'm disappointed. Really, really bad, man. Like, guys, come on. You got to drop more suggestions. We are not getting enough comments, and I'm running out of ideas on what to do. So, drop more ideas below. Like, what you guys want to see. Do you want to see, like, a hybrid kind of vocal preset between two artists mixed together? Let me know and I'll show it to you guys. Apart from that, hope everyone's been cool. Now guys, over here, what have we done to achieve these vocal preset? Well, first of all, we are using the main rec input here. Again guys, you can check the hint panel at the top. You would always see anything that I'm doing, all the figures. If I take any volume or anything, pan anything to the left or right, as you can see, you will see that at the top. So always check this at the top for the main figures that I'm using. So first of all, I'm using Sound Godizer on the main vocal recorder with the input recorder here set about 75% on A, just like that. Then guys, we're going to open up Autotune on Artist. If you guys haven't got this, as you guys can hear, how cool is that? You guys can grab it in my description. There's a 30-day free trial. It also comes with other plugins that I've used, Avox Swarm and Avox Choir. It comes with like 15 or 10 different plugins. If you get the full version, it's like £20, $20 a month, not much. Pretty cool. And what you're gonna do on here, guys, go into the Autotune settings, select Separano, and the key is set to C major. Okay, now this is the scale of the beat. If the beat is, let's say, D, you select D, F major or minor. So you need to find out what scale you are. But this beat is in major C, and this is the kind of voice I want. Now on here on the side, guys, as you can see, retune speed set to 4, humanize set to 55. Everything else, don't touch it. Oh, knock the microphone there. Just leave everything as it is. And then guys, what you're gonna do is add Fruity Parametric EQ2. And on this Fruity Parametric EQ2, gonna click on side, presets, and you're gonna select vocal presence. And as you guys can see, we can really change the vocals with this. But we're not going to change it. We're going to click on vocal presence and we're going to soften everything up. So we're going to move this halfway, halfway, halfway. Just like that. And this is the kind of preset that we're going to start recording with. Yes, we're going to record with the Auto-Tune turned on. It's also going to give us a better feedback in our headphones and let us know exactly what kind of stuff we're recording, right? So pretty cool, pretty dope. We're going to record like this and just start singing. So make sure you have the red selected at the bottom on this channel, the main rec. Volume set to normal. Don't make sure your volume's not down or too high. Just right click and reset just to make sure that's in the middle. And then what we're gonna do is head it straight over to our project, and I'm gonna just mute the other sounds, and I'm just gonna sing anything. Now guys, if you want to make sure you just record the audio, right click on here and make sure the audio is selected. You can record the notes from your MIDI input or just the automation by enabling and disabling this in the stuff inside this menu. Sorry, can't even talk, man. Ah! So that's that. Now once we get the audio, once we select the audio, we are ready to record. So I'm just gonna sing anything, guys. Don't laugh. Okay. Here we go.
It's Eddie's beat.
Yeah. Chilling with the studio. Yeah. Chilling in the studio. Bath beats, yeah. Producer bar. Don't know what I done there at the end. Bit of wave. Let's get rid of that. Yucky yuck. Right, guys. So now we're gonna click on this, what we recorded, and set it to channel 11. And check this out. Also, don't record. Yeah. Chilling with the studio. Yeah. Guys. Chilling in the studio. Bath beach, yeah. Producer bar. Bro, nah, that ending, guys. Don't worry about that ending. Ignore the ending. Bro, that was raw, man. That was raw. Jeez. Guys, can I get a subscribe? Come on. If I made you laugh, at least hit the subscribe or hit the like. Show some love, brothers and sisters. Guys, okay, so heading over now. We've got the main vocals recorded, right? So what did we do on these main vocals to make them sound like this? I mean, check this out. This is the main vocals as we have them here. You guys will record them just like that, what I've done. What you're gonna do then is hold Shift, Control, click on it and drag it down once. Click on the side and you're gonna select Make Unique. We're gonna have two channels. We're gonna have one on channel 11 and the one at the bottom on channel 12. Guys, let me turn off this Autotune. There we go, a lot better. Now, once we do this, channel 12, what this is simply, let me just show you guys. It's simply just a backup of the vocals.
Yeah. Chilling with the studio.
Very mellow.
Chilling in the studio.
But what it does, it just uplifts some of the syllables that I'm pronouncing.
Yeah. Chilling with the studio. Yeah.
Listen to it without it off.
Chilling in the studio.
See that?
Beach, yeah.
And that little frequency change in there really gives us that overall kind of satisfaction of the clear vocal output to make it sound like Tems X Wizkid kind of vocal preset. Now guys, so you guys have recorded both of the vocals just like me. I just added a bit of singing here at the bottom. You guys can add anything in the background after you finish your vocals, of course. On these main vocals, this is what we've got. Let's head over and look at the main vocals now. So on the main vocals, without any effect, this is what we have.
My hopes, yeah, dreams and my goals, yeah. I always win, yeah, cause I'm the boss, yeah. Chillin', yeah, smoke up in my lungs, yeah.
So first of all, we're gonna add fruity reverb too. Just a normal reverb. Leave the settings as they are, guys. And we're gonna turn it on. And we're gonna put it at 28-29%.
I hopes, yeah, dreams and my goals, yeah. I always win, yeah, cause I'm the boss, yeah.
Then guys, we're gonna use another fruity reverb, but this time click on the side, presets, and select small studio. Bam. And what this will do is give us this small studio kind of sound. Now obviously have the input set to 10% here at the side, 9-10%, no more than that. If you turn it up, it just sounds crap. Check this out.
I hopes, yeah, dreams and my goals, yeah. I always
and
mean yeah, cause I'm the boss,
take it down to 10%.
Yeah, smoke up in my lungs, yeah.
Perfect. And then guys, we have Fruity Multiband Compressor. I'm going to give you all the settings because they're all individual. So I'm going to hover over them. Again, you guys can check the hint panel here at the top. So if I hover over anything, I'm going to take it over here so you guys can see it a bit clearer. So first of all, the threshold, guys, on the low band is minus 18 dB. Ratio 201. Knee 80%. Attack 10.1 milliseconds. Release 109 milliseconds. Gain 1.5 decibels. Moving over to the midband. The threshold, guys, minus 13.2, sorry. Ratio 201. Knee 100%. Attack 16.1 milliseconds. Release 693.1. The gain 4.6 decibels. High band minus 18.0 decibels. Ratio 201. The knee 80%. Attack 10.1 milliseconds. Release 109 milliseconds. And the gain 5.7 decibels. And this is what it does to the vocals. Check it out.
I have hopes, yeah, dreams and my goals, yeah. I always win, yeah, cause I'm the boss, yeah. Chillin', yeah, smoke up in my lungs, yeah. Bartender go pour another glass. Everyone dancing, yeah, with the bus down. Dancing like you wanna shout.
See what it does? It just gets rid of those muggy kind of frequencies. It gives us that perfect Tems and Wizkid kind of vocal output, and that's what we want. Then guys, we're using something called Avox Warm. And what this does is it adds warmness to our vocals, and we set this to 2.3 on here. Again, this comes with the Autotune Antares plugins, the Unlimited. There's a link in my description for 30-day free trial. Then guys, we got the Avox Choir. And what this is a little trick that I come up with, because I wanted like a duality in the vocals, but not too strong. So what you do is you turn on the Avox Choir again in the Autotune Antares extra plugins that it comes with, and you set this to 15%. If you turn it up too high, this is what it sounds like.
I hope, yeah, dreams and my goals, yeah. I always win, yeah, cause I'm the boss, yeah. Chillin', yeah, smoke up in my lungs, yeah. Bartender go pour another glass. Everyone dance.
And when you turn it to this 15% kind of choir input, gives us this nice kind of background mellow delay kind of sound that we're looking for. And this is what Tems and Wizkid kind of have, this really nice kind of mellow delay background. And you can achieve this with the same plugin of this Avox Choir. Pretty cool, right? You see in this first here on Producer Buzz from Pav, you know how we do it. And then guys, we're using a Fruity soft clipper just to clip anything. And then guys, we're using Modern De-Easer. This is a free VST plugin. There's a link in my description. You guys can download it for free. Heading over to Producer Buzz. If you head over to Producer Buzz on this website, on our website, and type in Modern De-Easer at the top, you guys can download this for free at Producer Buzz. It's free download. You know, can't go wrong. Now guys, once you guys have this set up, your vocals will sound like this. Oh yeah, and the Modern De-Easer settings, sorry. So click on a drop down on the Modern De-Easer, select presets and select vocals. And then you just want to move the threshold will be up here. We just want to move it to 4 bars. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere just around here. And this will give us this kind of sound. Ready?
I have hopes, yeah, dreams and my goals, yeah.
Notice that if we turn the threshold up, this is what happens.
I have hopes, yeah, dreams and my goals, yeah.
We lose our vocals.
Cause I'm the boss, yeah. Chillin', yeah, smoke up in my lungs, yeah. Bartender go pour another glass. Everyone dancing, yeah, with the bus down. Dancing like you wanna shout down.
And that's what it does. And that actually what it does is it get rid of like background noise, clicks and pops. If you guys want, instead of using this, you can also use a more premium plugin which will give you a more clearer output. Again, if you want to use the free one, but if you want to use something more premium, then get the vocal cleaner. And what you do on here is you set this to hip hop on the settings. And you take the mix to 40%. and put the input to 2.5 like that, and this is what you get.
I have hopes, yeah, dreams and my goals, yeah. I always win, yeah, cause I'm the boss, yeah. Chillin', yeah, smoke up in my lungs, yeah. Bartender go pull another glass.
And what this vocal cleaner does is it does the same job as the modern de-easer. It just does it way better, and it's a more professional plugin to use. Obviously, you guys can grab it in my description if you want it. If not, just use the free version. Again, modern de-easer, they both do the same thing. The vocal cleaner just kind of gets rid of the frequencies that we don't want and makes it better for iTunes, Spotify, and make sure vocals play better on all the devices. So that's that. And then guys, that's pretty much it on the vocals. And then we just have the dual at the bottom here, which we turned off.
I always win, yeah, cause I'm the boss, yeah.
So once you just copy and clone your vocals down, you're just gonna add fruity parametric EQ, and this is the kind of settings you're gonna have. So you're gonna just create this little wave like this, as you guys can see. So you can see the settings once I hover over this and move them up and down. You guys can see mine is 1.3136 at 39. If you can see the settings as I click on them. So these are the kind of settings you guys want. So you just, you see him here at the top in the hint panel. So get those settings in. This is just for like the EQ fix that we're looking for the background. And then once you guys play both of these together, this is what you will get.
I have hopes, yeah, dreams and my goals, yeah. I always win, yeah, cause I'm the boss, yeah. Chillin', yeah, smoke up in my lungs, yeah. Bartender go pull another glass.
From this,
I have hopes, yeah, dreams and my goals, yeah. I always win, yeah, cause I'm the boss, yeah. Chillin', yeah, smoke up in my lungs, yeah. Bartender go pull another glass. Everyone dancing, yeah, with the bus down. Dancing like you wanna shut down. The whole crew dancing, yeah, I better slow down. Club fire, showing a lot.
Again, it's up to you if you want to use the vocal cleaner or the modern de-easer. Just make sure you don't use both of them. I'm gonna use modern, well, actually, what's this? I'm gonna use the vocal cleaner.
I have hopes, yeah, dreams and my goals, yeah.
Yeah. So, apart from that, guys, hope everyone is cool. You can also download these presets below in my description. File, save as. I will save these for you right now. So, main rec. And you guys can load all of these up onto any channel. Just right click, file, open mix estate. Select the main preset that you download. And there you go. It will just load it up just like that onto any channel you want. All the settings that I've done. The link is in my description. It does require social unlock. So, unlock it in the socials, like follow on YouTube, comment, like, whatever. Pretty cool, you guys download the preset, show some love, and also help me grow my channel. So apart from that, guys, that's pretty much it for today. This is how to create a Tems and kind of Wizkid type of vocal preset. Really kept it really simple. Again, didn't overdo it with any settings. Pretty simple. I just kind of showed you a new trick on the vocals here today with the Avox choir, which I hope you guys have enjoyed. Apart from that, I'm gonna sign out. Drop in more suggestions on what you guys want to see next week. Want to see more comments. Apart from that, signing out. Peace out. Ciao.